Welcome back to K&H Headlight Restoration. We got a Lexus SUV with very yellowing lenses. You can see the lenses are very distorted, not very clear at all. And what we're going to attempt to do is we're going to chemically clean then we're going to buff them, and then we're going to polish them and bring them back to this very beautiful SUV. It's the Kia Bess is doing this for her mother. So we want to make sure that she has a very pleasant surprise when she get home. So stay tuned for the outcome of the black Lexus SUV.